All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. Ray Douglas Bradbury was an American author and screenwriter. He worked in a variety of genres including fantasy, science fiction, mystery fiction and even horror. He is responsible for bringing modern science fiction into the literary mainstream. Today we are going to read one of his composition of science fiction, that is All Summer in a Day. When we are in school, summers never seem to last quite long enough. So just imagine what it would be like if our summers are only stuck around for an hour or so. Of course, with summers that short, we are not even talking about Alaska or Siberia, but the planet Venus, where Ray Bradbury set his short story in which the people of the planet experience all summer in a day. In All Summer in a Day, a group of school children live on the planet Venus with their families. They are 9 years old and they are eagerly waiting a momentous occasion. After 5 years of continuous rain, the scientists on Venus have predicted that the sun will come out today for a brief period of time. The children have only seen the sun once in their lives when they were 2 years old, and they don't remember how it looks or feels. To prepare for the day, they have constantly read about the sun and completed classroom activities such as writing a poem about the sun. This is true for all but one of the children, Margaret. Margaret is a thin, pale girl that the rest of the girls resent for various reasons, because she lived in Ohio until she was 5, that is on Earth. She still has many memories of sun, and the sun continues to fascinate her. Margaret refuses to participate in any classroom activity that doesn't include the sun. In fact, she has been in a depressed state for most of her time on Venus. Rumors have it that her parents are strongly considering taking her away from the underground colony on Venus and back to her home on Earth. Margaret looks out of the window, waiting silently for the rain to stop and the sun to come out. The other children become upset with her and begin to push and taunt her. One of the boys jokes with her. "It was all a joke, wasn't it? Nothing's happening today." Suddenly, the children seize Margaret and conceive of the idea to hide Margaret in a closet while their teacher is gone. Margaret resists, but they overpower her and lock her in a far away closet.